In this video, I'm going to create contours from a digital elevation model. Contours are lines of constant values, usually for elevation. You can use them for a number of purposes. For example, contours are great for understanding slope on a topographic map. Here we are in ArcGIS Pro. In our 3D map, we're located about 100 kilometers away from Tokyo in the country of Japan. This is the geographic wonder, Mount Fuji, which stands 3,776 meters above sea level. So what would elevation contours look like for the highest mountain in Japan? First, let's just switch back to our 2D map. Okay, now go to the Analysis tab and click the Tools button. Now I'm just going to type contour in the search bar. There are two options for this tool. You can choose between any one of the contour tools depending on the license you have. So I'll go ahead and pick the Spatial Analyst Contour tool. Now let's start filling in the inputs. My first input raster will be the digital elevation model. Next, I'll just leave the output feature class the same. You have to pay close attention to the contour intervals. You don't want this to be too high or too low, because this will ultimately decide how many contour lines this tool will generate. So I'll pick something in the middle. How about let's pick an interval distance of 200 meters. Then for the rest here, I'll just leave everything as it is. Okay, let's push the Run button. And after a few seconds, the contours will generate and display in your map. I've actually run this tool before and have all the labeling prepared. I'll turn this bottom layer on so we can see the contour labels. As I mentioned before, Mount Fuji stands 3,776 meters above sea level. As you can see in the map, our highest contour is 3,600 meters, so that makes sense. The contours are also 200-meter intervals. This is exactly what we specified in the tool. Okay, I think everything looks great here. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video.